It's really not that bad. It just needs a little shaping. To the salon!
Everybody needs some company.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my video. It is time for my maintenance for my birthday. So yes, your girl birthday is September 30th. I'm getting my nails done. You're gonna see my lashes. You're gonna see my hair done. You're gonna see me like try on my outfits and seeing how it goes, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. So let's go get beautified for your girl's birthday. Exciting.
Everybody needs some company.
You just started. Me and my bitch go naughty. Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step.
You get a toy? Hell no, you don't get no toys. You get the thing. Alright, y'all. So my nails are done. Birthday nails are done. Simple. Yeah. Okay, y'all. So this is part of my Get Ready With Me birthday vlog. I have 3 options. So my birthday this year, I'm going to a birthday dinner. I'm gonna take y'all with me, and the theme is like Hollywood glam, red carpet. The type of restaurant I'm going to, it is basically Sophia Loren. I hope that's the person name. I'm gonna show you right here, but this is a restaurant, Italian restaurant based off of her, and I say what a great way but to dress like glamorous and for me and just wear things shiny. So I decided to wear the color red based off of red carpet, Hollywood movie stars. Good theme. So I got 3 outfits. I just got this one, so I'm gonna show you this outfit right here. Let me just go down. Okay, so this is the first outfit. I'll go like a little bit back, y'all. Let me take y'all a little bit back. Okay, so this is this dress right here. Okay, the back of the dress, and I'm gonna have, you know, my hair done, whatever, and this side right here. I'm gonna do with this. Not this thing, it just hangs like this. So yeah, it's off the shoulder, very classy, very cute. My stomach, you don't see really my stomach like this. I don't know, it's crunchy and like everything is tight. Your girl been working out. So focus. So yeah, y'all, what do y'all think about this one? Love it, off the shoulder. Let me show you the next. Okay, this is the next one. I got this from Shein. I wish I would have got a little bit tighter. I wish I would have got a large instead of extra large. I don't know what I was thinking, but it's short. I was going for like tight bodice, and my seamstress, she is under the weather. But yeah, y'all. I was trying to go for it. Trying to go for the poofy, you know, cute little girly dress. Red. I don't know. I wish this was a little more tighter. If this was a little more tighter right here, it would be so good. But I wish I got a smaller size. And I don't know. Like, this is from Shein. I thought it would be like a better material. I thought it was going to be like the material of this dress right here that I just took on. I don't know. So, what do y'all think? What do y'all think for my birthday dinner? What do y'all think? Restaurant eating. And I got the last one. So, comment down below what y'all think about this. These out. If none of the other dresses would have came in on time, I would have wore this. Just still with that red theme. It's flowy, Fashion Nova. But it's still like cute. So yeah, I don't know which one. I have a feeling which one I'm gonna use. I'm gonna wear, but y'all tell me at the bottom like which dress that I can wear for my birthday dinner. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. I am on. I'm here already. Getting this little fresh wig, y'all. Your girl about to look different. It's birthday weekend. Let me take my earrings off, girl. Because I'm going to take my earrings off. But yeah, y'all, I'm on my way. I'm about to get the hair. When you could get your hair done, you look like a whole different bitch. Like right now, I'm looking real crazy right now. But I'm about to be like, to the salon. So, yeah, y'all. Yeah, y'all. So I'm about to show y'all. Gonna show y'all Maya, and then yeah, y'all, we about to get birthday thing ready. I was so tired. All right, y'all. I made it. I made it into the thing. So the braid, your girl looking like Cleo. Expires 7 days after issuance. See so I'm about to put the wig on, y'all. I mind the pimple. I gotta put my patches on.
off your first month.
Yes, always do it. She always do it, like always. Loving this, loving this. You see the layers? It's It's giving grown woman-ish, okay? It's giving grown-ish. You see the layers, you see the color of the layers.
They see it.
Not only that, this was installed by her, but this is what? Second install.
Second install.
This is second install. Okay? And look how she did wash it. She conditioned it. She always eat. Maya. She always eat. Always. My glam factory.
Yes.
Oh, I was doing so good. I was bringing in my vlog camera everywhere. I brought it to my nail shop. I brought it to my hairdresser. But now I'm getting my good old lashes done. And I ain't bring it. But we always gonna have that phone. So that teach y'all, continue. Pick up the phone. The phone is even better than the camera. We could do both. So I'm about to go get my lashes done. Because this birthday weekend, this maintenance is almost coming to an end, okay? The next thing I'm going to do is my lashes. And then y'all going to see what outfit I picked. So, yes, let's go get these lashes done. Y'all see it?
Come to Avenue V Studios. We are located in Greta, Louisiana. All new clients, they get $100 special. So any service, any lash service, you get $100. And we also do waxing services now.
Period.
So make sure y'all come see. Like, I look like I ain't got no top head.
Maybe it's bright.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, come see us.
You heard that? Yes.
Period.
Wax service, everything. Thank you, girl. Oh yeah, y'all, that is Avenue B, and she slayed with the lashes. I'm in love with these. It's the baby doll, and like, she ate. I don't know why I look crazy, but the flash. I'm gonna go to my camera when I get back home, but yes. So y'all, I'm getting ready for my birthday dinner. My sister is here. She's curling my hair. And yes, we're gonna get ready for my birthday dinner tonight. We got an Uber Black. I did it last year. And we're gonna go to Sophia, so I'm gonna take y'all with me on another video, of course. So yeah, this is what we're doing. Alright, getting together. I got this half. Lashes still on point. Getting together. Okay, so the hair is done. So I'm gonna go get my cake, and then I'll be starting with my makeup. And then after that, I'll show y'all the last bit, which is what what dress that I decided to wear. And yeah, and I'll be on my way. Birthday weekend. Hey, y'all, so I'm so sorry. I did take a video. I'm gonna show y'all what video that what dress that I picked out. I picked out obviously the first one. It was just more sexual. It made me slim. I did not know that I lost that much weight before. So I'm just very pleased with the dress. The dress came from Amazon. I'm gonna show y'all like what it is, how much it was. It was just so cute. It matched with the hair. The shoes was from Shein. It was like a little heel, closed toe heel. Everywhere I went, I was a little bit overdressed, but hey, it's my birthday. Why the fuck not? So yeah, y'all. So I want to take out like a major shout out to my glam team. I'm gonna say y'all my glam team, because y'all did y'all thing. Everything that happened, I think my glam for my birthday was chef kiss this year. Let's just go with the hair. Maya, you know, every time you come here, you fucking slay my hair. Every time I give you like a vision and give you like what I want, you do it. Like, girl, you do it to the freaking T, and I love you for that. And I'm gonna get another wig. I'm gonna do like a deep part, and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. I'm gonna do like the order. I'm gonna order the wig. Yeah, I'm gonna order the hair, and Maya gonna do it for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna see if she could do it for Thanksgiving or maybe for Halloween. It depends when I get the hair. Probably at the beginning, like for my sister's birthday. My sister's birthday is November the 6th, and Maya is also in November, the beginning of November. So in between that, maybe I could do it like before Thanksgiving. I'm trying to do it before Thanksgiving with another wig, and I'm gonna bring y'all with me, of course. The second thing, lavender. You always eat. I've been had my nails done, but every time I give you a vision, you always come apart and you always need a vision. Let me tell you, y'all, my nails could last a month. It lasts a month with lavender. Like, girl, lavender, everything with her nails. And all my people that, like, for my glam is all black. So, period. Nail tech, black. Nails stay popping. Nails still look good. And it's been 2 weeks since I got my nails done. Nails still eat. Nails still eat. Okay, so shout out to lavender. Shout out to Avenue B. My girl you saw. She did the hell out of my lashes. I cannot tell you how much. This is like my favorite set that she has done for me. And when I tell you this is like my regular set. When I'm hooked on stuff, like I'm hooked on like French tips on my toes, my nails, and all that. I am hooked on my lash set. I'm going to continue with this lash set because this set was just everything. Every freaking thing. This lash set was so cute this time for my birthday, and I'm just so excited. Thank y'all so much for watching my maintenance vlog. It was a long vlog, but y'all was worth it because the final product was everything. Y'all, I had fun for my birthday, but my maintenance was everything. My maintenance vlog was just like, my maintenance for my birthday was just everything. Like, from the hair, she put layers in my hair at first. Like, girl, we did that. Okay, I came with the vision. I told them the vision, and they did it. So yeah, y'all, go ahead, subscribe, like this video, give this video a thumbs up if you love the video. Go ahead, subscribe, comment below, see how it was with my maintenance, how you enjoy my maintenance vlog, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.
Fantasy, me have Campari Patron.